Hello everybody, this is Daryl at hudsonscustommachining.com. I've got here another GE Pancake fan motor and rotor that a customer sent to me to be repaired. You can see on this rotor shaft here how badly worn this rotor is. This is from where the wick from the oiler has been riding on this shaft, and either the wick was contaminated with dirt and abrasives that wore this down. The wick may have run on it dry. More likely the wick was contaminated with some abrasive particles, or the wick was worn down all the way to the spring, and the metal spring, I have seen sometimes the metal spring would go all the way through there and actually touch metal to metal against the shaft to cause this kind of grooving like this. Not too bad otherwise. Little groove here right at the end of where the end of the bearing was, but we're gonna machine a new shaft for this rotor, so we'll get that taken care of. The other thing is, on the motor housing here, you can see this bearing where the bearing has gotten worn egg-shaped. I don't know if you can actually see it with your eye how egg-shaped that hole is, but you can see where somebody has peened it here, and over on the inside you can see where they've peened it quite a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. And here it's a little more pronounced. You can see where it's more egg-shaped here, where it's worn so badly. And what they were trying to do, they peened each face of the bearing on this end and on the other end with a center punch to try to close that diameter up a little bit, because when you put this rotor in there, when this rotor goes in there, there's a lot of slop in between the rotor shaft and the ID of this bearing here. So we're going to take care of that. We're going to make a new bearing, put in here, and we're going to reshaft this rotor right here. So I'm not sure if this video will actually make it to YouTube. I do this a lot of times just for my customers to show what I've got, what I received here, and then I'll do another one at the end showing what I've the finished product before I send it back. So maybe this will get posted to YouTube, I don't know, but I'll probably do a part 2 whenever we get this reshafted and get the bearing in here. So that's all for now. Y'all take care.